Okay, another awesome box for my collection. This is a very limited edition. Only 300 of these were made. Mopar Plum Crazy Purple. It's got the badges. It's got the awesome RT stripe. I am a Mopar guy through and through. I own a couple, some older Chevys as well, but graphic is impeccable. This has never been a working box, okay? Strut's still good. Both sets of keys. There is a cover for it. I do have it stored in another box. I need to get it out. There is a cover for the box. For those of you who know, these covers are like $600 or $700 for these things. So it does have the drawer components. Beautiful Plum Crazy Purple. Slides are amazing, well greased. The trim is awesome. Trim is not destroyed anywhere, marked up or anything. Beautiful box. Limited to 300. Only 300 of these made. This is the 54-inch. This was the more common size. Again, only 300 of these ever made. We have a great shipping resource. Us being a local partner, we do offer regional transportation at a pretty competitive rate. It would be my own guys hauling this thing. We also have a couple shippers we highly recommend that have moved all of my other boxes if we didn't move them ourselves. We'll wrap it, blanket it, we can pallet or crate it if you prefer. We'll do it very fairly priced. Look at this thing. Absolutely brand new. I don't think you guys know, this is like an incredibly rare box. The muscle car lines are highly sought after, very hard to find. I do have a couple, I have a Camaro and a sister Mustang as well to this body, as well as the larger, which I have here. This is my all-time favorite Mopar box. This is the big sister, equally as brand new, not included in this auction. But the Mopars and the Dale, my favorites. Good luck, bidders. Ask any questions. We'll definitely coordinate shipping. Do not let that hold you back on this. We will be able to help you out in-house or with a reputable shipper. Thank you.